Hello, dear students of Begum Ruhima Islam College. How all are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to online class, Department of English Honors Second Year. I am Muhammad Ibrahim, lecturer in English, Begum Ruhima Islam College. Today's subject, introduction to drama. I will discuss on drama Arms and the Man by George Bernard Shaw. Dear students, do you know what is drama? A drama is a representation of life in action through dialogue for the entertainment of an audience. The drama Arms and the Man is an anti-romantic comedy written by George Bernard Shaw, a modern playwright of English literature. In this drama, George Bernard Shaw tries to prove that marriage is a biological necessity and not a romance. There are 8 characters in the drama. They are the characters of the drama are Major Petkov, Catherine Petkov, Raina Petkov, Captain Blansley, number 5, Major Sergius Saranov, 6 number, Russian officer, number 7, Lauka, and number 8, Nicola. Okay, dear students, now I am going to describe each of the characters particularly. First, Major Petkov. Major Petkov is a senior Bulgarian major. He is the father of Raina Petkov and husband of Catherine Petkov. He is nearly 50 years old. He is a hand-picked husband. In the Act 2, he is warmly received by his wife Catherine Petkov and his daughter Raina Petkov. Second one, Catherine Petkov. She is the beloved wife of Major Petkov and mother of Raina Petkov. She is over 40 years old. She is highly fashionable. She is highly fond of fashionable clothes and modern comfort. She is present at the very beginning of the play and at the end. Raina Petkov is the daughter of Major Petkov and Catherine Petkov. She is 23 years old. She is the heroine of the drama. She is engaged with Major Sergius Ranov, but later on she married Captain Blansley. Captain Blansley is a Swiss officer serving in the Serbian army. He is a professional soldier. He carries chocolate. That's why Raina calls him a chocolate cream soldier. Captain Blansley always carries chocolate instead of cartridge for his pistol. It proves that food is as important as cartridge in war. Next, Major Sergius Ranov is a young major in the Bulgarian army. He is the fiancé of Raina Petkov. At the very beginning of the play, Major Sergius is presented as a hero, but later on we see he proves himself as a foolish soldier. He is like a butterfly who flies from flower to flower to collect honey. And later on we see she married Lovka, the maid servant of Major Petkov family. Russian officer is a young officer who serves in the Bulgarian army. He comes to Raina's bedrooms in search of Captain Blansley. He is quite foolish but gentle. Captain Blansley remarks about him that 9 soldiers out of 10 are born fools. Then Lovka is the maid servant of Petkov's family. She is engaged to Nikola, but later on she married Major Sergius Ranov. The dramatist George Bernard Shaw presents him a handsome and proud girl in this drama. Nikola is a domestic servant of Petkov's family. He is also a comic figure like his master, Major Petkov. His only ambition is to set up a shop in Sofia, the capital city of Bulgaria. Dear students, the major themes of the play were incompetent authority, ignorance versus knowledge, plus bravery and personal honesty. The war was going on between Serbia and Bulgaria on 14 November 1885 and lasted 1885, 28 November. At Srebrenica, a town from 20 miles away up from northwest at Sofia, the capital city of Bulgaria. In this drama, there are two different distinguished conflicts we see. One conflict is that the view of war, and the second conflict would be love and marriage. Dear students, I will suggest you should go through the text to read drama and try to understand the whole drama and be serious from now. Okay, I will end up my class here. No more today. Stay well, stay safe, stay at home. Allah Hafiz.